Good morning. Good morning. I started a journey from Bajagoli to Shingeri Sharda temple, one of the oldest temples by Adi Shankaracharya, and we are going through Kudramukh forest range. So this is the last of the Aravali hills. It's one of the last of the national forests. So there will be a checking and all, but that doesn't matter. The roads are quite good. Now it's double lane, and we should be reaching in Shringeri in 1 hour. And in the between, you can see a lot of beautiful sceneries because we'll be going through
the drive
rainforest.
The drive is through ghats and through the forest. The checking specially is because earlier there used to be a lot of Naxal problem in this forest area. Of course, these days it is not there.
But still
they keep a caution is kept. A count of people entering the forest and exiting the forest is maintained.
You are not supposed to stop. You are given a time period to ingress the forest and egress the forest within the specific period.
Last time I remember we were given 1 hour. In that 1 hour we had to cross through the next gate, else there would be a search party coming searching for us. So
they have a patrol going on every time. So that is good. It's good, safe for us. Good to follow the rules and regulations.
Yes, it's for our own safety. So I'll now turn on the camera to the road and enjoy the drive. Office for getting your pass to enter the Kudramukh forest. Takes about 2 to 3 minutes to get your pass. So that's our pass, and we get 1.5 hours to cross this beautiful road. This is a national park reserve forest area.
It's a free pass. Be advised, they do take collections or donations.
Donations rather, because it's up to you what to give.
Well, I didn't have anything to give them, and I don't give donations. So it says welcome to Kudramukh National Park over there.
Yes. Okay.
It's already 30 degrees outside.
But it's cooler. It feels much cooler. We are going to turn off the AC and we're going to pull down the windows to enjoy the beautiful forest fragrance.
Two large animals. One is the elephant and one is the bison. The bison shoulder height is almost around 7 feet. So that's normal adult bison. So an adult bison can even topple over a truck. Okay, so elephants are seen very rarely nowadays, and bison also you see very less of it. You have the predatory animals like the leopard. There used to be tigers here, but it's been a long time since somebody has seen a tiger. But many people have seen the leopard. Okay, and then other wild animals like the boar, the fox, occasionally an wolf. This is not an wolf area, so it's very rare. But you can see fox is there. A lot of rabbits, and of course
Monkeys.
our relative, our far off relatives, the deer monkeys. There are two type of monkeys here. What you would call as a normal baboon, and then there are your normal black face lion-tailed monkeys, and they are rhesus monkeys. So they all keep to their boundaries. The most violent ones are the baboons. They have the big red ass, which you can make it out, and very big fangs. Then is the black face, which is in it's black face, and the lion tail. And the tail is has the shape of a lion's tail, so that's why it's called lion's tail. And your normal monkeys, the hanky-panky, spanky ones.
We are
almost coming to the top of the
Aravali Range Mountain,
Kudramukh Forest.
Kudramukh Forest. Why is it called Kudramukh? Sounds
Because
like
from far, if you see, it's like a face of a horse.
oh,
Face of the horse and the ears standing upright. So
oh.
that is why it's called Kudramukh.
Kudra is horse.
Horse.
In
And
what language?
Kudra is in Kannada, in Tulu. In
So
local
that-
language, Kudra is Kudra.
Kudra is horse,
So
and Mukh is the face.
it looks like a Kudramukh from far.
That Sanat was a super safe. Thank you so much for saving us. Please guys, I request everyone, even the truck drivers, please do not drive so fast on such roads. We just got saved by a hair's breadth.
No, it's okay.
We are taking our first break at this beautiful spot. Sanat is going on an adventure. It's so bright I can barely see the screen. Such a beautiful serene spot. Lovely. That's the first site of the Shardamba Shingeri temple. I'm not sure if the video is able to capture the beautiful pink, blue and green colors. That's Sanat in his traditional vesti shirt. Shooting is not allowed inside, so I'll be turning off the video there. Going to our favorite spot at Shringeri temple. Everybody's favorite spot actually. So I have a problem climbing up. I don't know how I'm going to climb back up, but I'm going to go down. I can't see my screen, so I don't know what I'm shooting, but I hope you get a good view. It's so hot, unbearably hot. Cooling after that burn from the sun. So that's the place. Good afternoon, and what a beautiful day it has been. We have been blessed. We had a very good darshan of Shringeri temple, and we also had darshan of the current Shankaracharya. It was even more special because while we avoided the crowd around him, we had a face-to-face darshan when he was walking towards his yogshala, and it was.
He acknowledged us, which we were very special. Because
we had a very special nod from the Shankaracharya, and this makes us feel very blessed today. Another magical thing happened was when we were in the Lakshmi temple, and Lakshmi Sharda temple, and I was just hoping to be blessed by Ma, and while we just took a round of the temple and came back again to the front side, the bhajji had a plate with kumkum, bangles, flowers, all shringar for a suhagan, and he gave it to me, and it just felt so beautiful, and it was like Ma had read my mind and blessed me.
Beautiful darshan.
Beautiful darshan, and what a lovely,
Very blessed day for us.
very blessed day. Yeah, and we had prasad at the temple.
We had a good temple food.
Yes. I just wonder how they manage to keep the food so hot, and they are almost serving like more than 10,000 people at lunch,
I was not going to figures of time. It's
because the number of plates I saw.
it's they provide. God provides.
God provides for everybody.
We
yeah.
cannot count. That's all.
Yeah, true. And such a soul satisfying food it was. Beautiful.
I advise everybody to go around 2 o'clock, before 2 o'clock.
Before 2 o'clock.
Because the last meal and everything closes at 2:30. So keep buffer time, 2 o'clock you go, then you'll get, first you'll get paisam, then you will get rice with sambar, rice with rasam, and then
The curd rice.
plus water.
And chas.
Yes, and chas. So it was like fulfill meal. You cannot even get a 5-star. It was fun. It was
this
good.
satisfaction cannot come from anywhere else except from a prasad. So yes, it's been a beautiful day so far, and now we are traveling towards another beautiful temple town, that is Belur.
Chennakeshwar temple.
Chennakeshwar temple, and there are other temples which last time we didn't have enough time to, we did visit the temples, but we didn't get to spend time there. So tomorrow we are going to do that. Tonight we will be just reaching Belur and staying there. It's again a lovely drive through the mountains. We'll keep you updated. Enjoy the drive.
Bye.